Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be get my eyelash extensions. I've been wanting to get them for a while, but I never really looked into like places like around Williamsport. And then there was this girl that was doing like a deal, and Jess and I both were gonna go get them done, but Jess decided last minute that she didn't want to get them done, but she's still going. So I'm gonna take you along with us when we go, well, when I get them done. But right now I'm just gonna go to the gym for a quick workout, and then I'm probably gonna go to Dunkin' afterwards to grab a breakfast sandwich and a coffee. So if you want to see how I get my eyelash extensions done and like my thoughts about it, then just keep on watching. You guys, I literally came out to my car and there's literally just like snow all over it. It makes me not even want to go outside. I hate snow so much. Like, look at my windshield. It's just so annoying and cold and wet. And I can't wait till summer. I got a shower after the gym, and then I just curled my hair some and put a little bit of makeup on, but I didn't put any on my eyes because I heard like you can't have anything on your eyes because of the glue. Like, it'll interfere with the glue and they won't last as long. So I just like didn't put any on my eyes. And then me and Jess are gonna leave a little early, and we are probably gonna go to, I think it's Ross, because she's like, the lady is like up in State College area or Bellefonte or something like that. So we're probably gonna go there, and then I will jump back on here when I'm about ready to get my lash extensions.
Everybody says the tape part is the worst part. You'll probably agree. Right. So I need you to look back at me. Open your eyes, look back. Perfect.
so my lashes are finished. I ignore my makeup. The tape kind of took it off, and it's off my forehead because of her hands like being there, like putting on the lashes. But these are them like up close. I got the volume ones, so it took like, I don't even know, like 2 hours. You can get the basic ones, which take, I think, about an hour or so. But the girl that did them, you can find her on Facebook and Instagram. Her, like, it's called Lashes by ALICIA. You can find her and make an appointment with her if you would like to. I got like really big lashes, like really voluminous lashes, and I can't feel a single, like I can't feel them on my eyes at all. Like they're so comfortable, and like even her putting them on, I couldn't feel her putting them on, like it was so comfortable. And then afterwards she just tells you how to like take care of them, and she gives you then a like little like goodie bag kind of that she puts in there, like everything to take care of your lashes. And yeah, so then I'll go back in like 3 to 4 weeks to have them refilled. But I really like them. I like the way they turned out, and like the length and how thick they are. I like everything about them. Like I feel like I can just wake up with no makeup on and just like go out just because like I have my lashes on. Maybe like I'll do like my eyebrows some, and then I'll just like go out and I'll feel like put together pretty much. I won't look like a little 8-year-old. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these. Oh, and if you guys have any questions for me, like about my lashes or anything like that, just leave a comment down below and I will answer it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Okay, and also another thing, ignore my face, my red face, I just washed it. If they can be like, to take care of them, they can be kind of like high maintenance. So if you aren't into that, and if you don't want to put a lot of effort like into taking care of like eyelashes or anything like that, then I would not get them. But I mean, if you're going on like vacation or like a special event or something, I mean, they would look really nice for that. But you can also throw on a pair of falsies if you don't want to take care of these and like keep up with them. But if my eyelashes look like these all the time, I am willing to take care of them. But that's just me. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.